Good day, dear viewers. Today we embark on a journey into the world of the Daihan scientific shaking water bath. Let's dive right in. In this 18-litre model from Daihan Scientific, you'll find a comprehensive set of components: a universal spring rack, a user manual, a warranty certificate, an inspection sheet, a power cable, and the main body for your convenience. A quick note: the dome lid is an optional accessory not included in the package. To ensure both ventilation and fire safety, remember to position the product on a sturdy, flat surface. Leave a minimum of 20 centimeters of space from the rear wall, and provide at least 100 centimeters of clearance from both side walls and the ceiling. Before kicking off operations, it's crucial to confirm that the mains rated voltage aligns perfectly with the product specifications. Use the provided power cable to securely connect the product to the mains and ensure an adequate amount of distilled water in the bath. Prior to operation, place your sample on the universal spring rack. For an added layer of safety, set the switch to a temperature 20 degrees Celsius higher than your desired operating level to prevent overheating. Now let's power up. The main screen will unveil the operation time mode. Here, you can set the timer anywhere from 0 minutes up to an impressive 99 hours and 59 minutes, all in 1 minute increments. Press the main button once to transition into the set temperature mode. Here, you have a permissible temperature range from 20.0 to 100.0 degrees Celsius, with adjustments achievable in precise increments of 0.1 degrees Celsius. Watch for the heat LED indicator. It will illuminate as the heater kicks into action and the temperature begins to rise. Once the current temperature aligns with your set point, the heater will maintain the temperature and the heat LED will gracefully fade away. While in the set temperature mode, pressing the main button once more will seamlessly shift you into the shaking mode. In this mode, you have the flexibility to choose a shaking speed ranging from a gentle 20 to an impressive 250 rotations per minute. The shaking LED will gently blink to indicate its activity and remain steadfast if the product shifts to a different mode while still in motion. Switching gears and pressing the main button once within the set shaking RPM mode will take you to the locking mode. Here, you'll find the job dial knob and push button temporarily disabled. The display panel and LED lamps will provide you with constant feedback. They signify that the product is currently operating within the set operation time mode. A press of the sub button will swiftly transition you into the set delay time mode. This mode allows you to set a predefined delay before heating, shaking, or initiating operation in the set temperature mode. When synchronization between the product's thermostat and that of your experiment is paramount, simply press the SUB button once to enter the set temperature offset mode. This empowering mode grants you the ability to fine-tune the temperature offset by adding or subtracting a desired value. The Daihan scientific shaking water bath boasts a state-of-the-art low-noise shaking mechanism. This innovative design ensures a seamless agitation process, preventing any undue disturbance to your valuable samples due to abrupt starts. Built for the long haul, the shaking water bath promises precise RPM control coupled with minimal heat generation. It boasts the capability to support high shaking speeds of up to an impressive 250 RPM. With a meticulously designed temperature control mechanism, the product delivers maximum power until it reaches your set temperature. Once attained, the power supplied to the heater is expertly regulated, minimizing temperature fluctuations and guaranteeing high temperature stability throughout. Convenience takes center stage at the front of the product, with a drain hose and plug thoughtfully installed for effortless liquid drainage from the bath. Rest easy knowing that this product bears the esteemed C certification, a testament to its compliance with the rigorous safety standards of the European Union. Furthermore, the Master Day model is engineered to achieve temperatures of up to 100 degrees Celsius, with the ability to maintain shaking speeds of up to 250 RPM. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey into the Daihan scientific shaking water bath. Your experiments are in good hands. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.
See you in the next video.